Hi, it's Bobby with Office Tracker. Today we're going to go over getting started with the web client. Getting started with Office Tracker is easy. Your Office Tracker server administrator will send you your Office Tracker login URL along with your login name and password. You access Office Tracker by entering the URL in your web browser. Next, you will log in by entering your username and password. The schedule window will open up. If your server admin created a default view for you, you may see additional names, such as you see here. Otherwise, you will just see your name, like this. If you want to change the names that are shown in your view, click on the Names icon on the toolbar. You can select the names that you would like to see in your view. Click on the name and click Include. Once you're done, say OK. Now, if you would like to rearrange the order that these appear on your screen, say I would like my name to be all the way to the right with the doctor's all the way to the left. Click on the Names icon again. Click on the name that you want to move. You'll notice these toggle arrows right here. I'm going to move my name down to the bottom and say OK. You will notice that change takes effect immediately. There are several different view options when you're using Office Tracker. Currently, we are looking at the day view. Right here on the icon toolbar, you'll notice it says Day. Click on that and you can change your view. You can change it to the week view, the monthly view, or the planner view. I'm going to put it back on the day view. You can use these arrows right here to toggle between the days on your schedule. If I click it once, since I'm in the day view, it moves one day. If I am on the week view and I use these toggle arrows, it will move to the next week, and so forth. If at any point you want to quickly return to today's date, you can click on the date up here at the top that is underlined. It says Tuesday, October 31st. If I click on that, it's going to quickly take me back to today's date. Let's go over setting up a new event. You have two options when you want to set up a new event. You can click on the New Event button up here on the icon toolbar, which will bring up the New Event window, or you can select any available time slot on the schedule. So if I click under Dr. Blue's name right here at 8 a.m., it's going to automatically bring up a new event starting at 8 a.m. And if you click on names, you're going to notice Dr. Blue is automatically included in this event because we were on his schedule when we clicked the open time slot. If you want to set up a group event for all of the names that are currently showing on your screen, hold down the Shift button and click on an available time slot on one of the schedules. So say I want to make a business meeting at 9 a.m. for all three names that are currently showing. I hold down the Shift button and click the open time slot. If you click on the names icon, you'll notice all three names are automatically added to this event. Let's go over the new event window. You have your description field. You can choose to make the event an event or a non-timed event. Your non-timed events will appear in this top row. You have your start time and end time, your duration if you want to set the appointment that way. If you want to make it a 1 hour appointment, it would automatically adjust the time in here. You can make it an all-day event. You can set your reoccurring options and your reminder options. Over here, you'll notice your keywords and your labels. These can be customized by your server administrator. Labels are the only ones that can be color-coded. You will notice these appointments on my screen right here that I have set for lunch appointments. I have them color-coded with a label for lunch. So I clicked here and went to lunch, and it automatically made all of those appointments that I have that label attached to that color so you can easily see them on the screen. If you click on the names icon, this is where you can add other names to this appointment. So say I was having a meeting with between Dr. Blue and Dr. Brown and I wanted to book them at the same time. I already have Dr. Brown because I was under his schedule when I clicked the open time slot. I could include Dr. Blue and say OK. Contacts are where your contacts are stored. So if you click on that, say I'm trying to schedule an appointment for myself. My last name is Allen, so I can put an A in and click Find. My name is right there on the left, and I say Link. You'll notice it also shows my contact information down here at the bottom so I could verify that I'm looking at the correct person. And say OK. I'm going to say OK to add this event to the schedule. Let's put a description in though. You will notice that that event appears on Dr. Blue's schedule and Dr. Brown's schedule because we added both names to that event. You'll see these little icons right here. This means that it's a group event, meaning that there are 2 names or more attached to this event. This means that there is a contact attached to this event. I can click on that and it will bring up that contact information right there. Another quick tip is if you wanted to move an appointment or if you wanted to adjust the length of time that that appointment is set for. You can do this quickly by clicking on the appointment once where it puts this blue outline around it. Get the double-headed arrow, click and drag down to adjust the length of the appointment. If you want to move an appointment, click on it again to highlight it. Click one more time and hold your mouse button down. Move it where you would like and release. I hope you enjoyed this quick tutorial on getting started with the web client. That about covers it for today. Make sure to follow us on Facebook for more handy tips and tricks. Happy scheduling!